Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the topic that is 20 percentage error basically. In this basically each and every software company basically are handled by the Bollywood groups basically. That also few people says that basically. That basically says reason is this basically. Oxford Word Group basically has given Microsoft how many words? They have given 36 to 37 words basically. And 36 to 37 words basically, in 36 to 37 words basically, the Bollywood groups, how many, Bollywood group basically got how many city to do the advertising basically. That means that city basically are control with them, na, basically. They are basically controlling the city basically. They have the control basically. Then into that, yes. For example, they are creating, that city basically is creating around 100 human needs. So that basically 100 human needs basically are getting to connect to the across the world. Then into the yes. So that world also basically few parts basically are connected with them. Then it, yeah, then basically it was the yes here basically. Then also basically they not help. So one of the few actor and actress basically told that basically we are just basically a servant basically. The owner basically are somebody else basically. Then one of the person told that who is basically the owner basically. Then he told that basically these all are the groups basically who are basically the owner basically. Business men in India. Businessmen and a woman. Men and women basically. See basically just see. In top 10, top 9 basic top 10 there is no girl only basically. Savitri, yes, she, I think Savitri. One lady is there basically. Dilip Swami Kumar Villa and Radha Krishna Dalmani. He is also having women. Lakshmi Mitra and Kaushal Pal Singh. So one ladies and rest of thing basically are rest of businessmen and men and women basically are one is woman basically and rest of are men basically. So nobody helped you basically, right? Yes, yeah, nobody helped me. Nobody helped me here. Nobody helped me here. Nobody helped Sunil Ram. So one of the person told that basically this group basically told we are just the this group basically that are this group basically this group and this group. Just taking as an example basically, I am just trying to explain basically that how basically the error basically happens and how basically the 20 percentage error basically is coming. That only basically I am trying to explain. Nothing else basically I am trying to explain. That only basically I am trying to explain. Nothing else basically I am trying to explain. This group and this group basically not helped Sunila. Reason, this group basically are doing the finance basically. That means this group not helped Sunila Nair. And yesterday basically we saw the each and everything basically that how basically each and every things basically are connected also basically. This group not help actually. See basically these all are those groups basically. See. See basically. These all are the businessmen basically who not help Sunil Nair. Reason whatever basically. Here basically I'm just trying to help understand, trying to explain that basically how the things basically are connected. That is the only motive basically. So in this basically we are trying to explain that also basically that Tamil Nadu basically got basically we are explaining 3 to 4 topics basically at one time basically. One topic is this city, then basically that Sunil R Nair case, then basically this, then that basically, then this and this basically, this also basically. In this basically we got the thing basically that is Chennai basically got the tsunami and the 1 lakh word basically tsunami got generated and 85,000 city created these words and this is the thing basically, right? This is the country already impacted. Now basically the rest of country basically are going to, that is 8th number, rest of countries is going to get impact due to this tsunami, due to that tsunami. So whatever tsunami basically in this world, assume that basically lots of tsunami basically came. Just recently also few tsunami came. So that basically all things, all basically tsunamis are basically the time machine basically, which is going to connect to the certain level of task basically. So one of the person asked basically, what task basically you are doing? Then I told that basically I am sending the resume and basically I am not getting the job, and basically then basically I am sending the sending the request to the girls. Just now basically I got rejected. Just a few hours basically back I sent to few girls basically as a request basically. See basically these all are basically the request. Today basically I sent around basically just few hours only basically I sent around 20 to 30 basically girls basically I sent. From that basically the shadi.com basically told that basically the 2 girls basically are rejected you. She first rejected, she is Maharashtrian girl basically, and she is also Marathi, that is basically Mumbai Marathi Manas also rejected Sunil R Nair, and even Malayali Manas basically rejected Sunil R Nair, and here also Malayali Manas rejected Sunil R Nair. She is also Marathi. See basically this is also Malayali, Marathi, Malayali. So Marathi and Malayali basically rejected. Is there any? This she basically is also Marathi. See basically I will explain actually everything practically. She is basically also Malayali. How many time it is here? 8 9. Malayali, Marathi, Malayali, Marathi, Malayali, Marathi, Malayali, Marathi, Malayali, Marathi, Marathi, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu also rejected, Nepali also rejected, Kerala, like this basically girls rejected, right basically. So what is this basically, that we will explain in in next video basically.